Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Nay. Today we're going to read a book called Breakfast Do You Like? By Teacher Nay, illustrated with free use images. Boys and girls, as I read, you can repeat after me. Do you like cereal? Yes, I like cereal. Do you like yogurt? Yes, I like yogurt. Do you like toast? Yes, I like toast. Do you like oatmeal? Yes, I like oatmeal. Do you like pancakes? Yes, I like pancakes. Do you like waffles? No, I don't like waffles. Do you like scrambled eggs? Yes, I like scrambled eggs. Do you like fried eggs? Yes, I like fried eggs. Do you like fruit? Yes, I like fruit. The end. Now we're going to read the video flashcards for breakfast. Cereal. Repeat after me. Cereal. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Waffles. Waffles. Pancakes. Pancakes. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Fried eggs. Fried eggs. Toast. Toast. Yogurt. Yogurt. Fruit. Fruit. Apples. Apples. Bananas. Bananas. Oranges. Oranges. It's time to go. Good job today. Goodbye. See you next time.